Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 4 of Zero to Hero Full Stack plus VoIP plus AI Engineer. I am Siddhant Kumar, full stack VoIP and AI engineer working professionally since 2021. In the last three episodes, we set up WSL2, connected to GitHub, and installed our core tools. Today, we are making your development experience actual enjoyable, configuring VS Code for WSL with the extensions that professional engineers use every day. And yes, I will explain why each extension matters, not just what to install. Let's get your editor production ready. Before we start clicking, let me explain why we are using VS Code with WSL, and I will keep it fun. Think of VS Code like a Swiss army knife. On its own, it's useful, but add the right attachments. Now you have a precision toolset. WSL is your Linux workshop, clean, powerful, and consistent. WSL extension is the bridge that lets you work in that workshop from your Windows desk. Git Lens is your time travel goggles. See who changed what, when, and why. Docker extension is your container remote control. Manage containers without memorizing 20 commands. Python and C++ extensions are your language translators. They help your editor understand your code so it can help you write better code. Without these, you are trying to build a car with a butter knife. With them, you have got a full mechanic scratch. So let's install the attachments. First, open VS Code on your Windows side, not in WSL yet. Then press Ctrl Shift X to open the extension panel. Search for WSL. Install the one by Microsoft. In my case, it is already installed. In your case, once installed, reload VS Code when prompted. Now, open PowerShell as a administrator. Run this command WSL space dash dash list space dash dash verbose to see running Linux systems. And in this, as you see, our one is Zero to Hero course. So we have to open this. Now, ensure our Zero to Hero course Linux system is running or not by putting this command WSL space dash D space 020 dash course. This also took to the WSL system. Inside WSL, verify VS Code can be launched or not by typing this command code space dash dash version. Should return version info as we already installed in our episode 1. Now navigate to your project folder as mine cd 020. Then type code dash dot. VS Code will reopen and you will see WSL 020 in the bottom left corner. That means you are editing Linux file from Window Magic. Now that we are in WSL, let's install the extensions that make us productive. Run these commands in your VS Code integrated terminal. First command is code space dash dash install dash extension space eamodia dot git lens. Now the second command is space ms dash python dot python. Like that. Third command is ms dash python dot black dash fronter. Fourth command is ms dash vs code ms-azure tools. And the fifth one is ms-azure tools.vs code-docker. Each of these adds superpower. Git lens show commit history inline. Python extension enables IntelliSense debugging and linting. Black Formatter auto-formats your Python code on save. C++ tools enable debugging and navigation for systems code. Docker extensions lets you manage containers from the sidebar after installing Reload VS Code. Now, let's configure VS Code to work the way professionals do. Press Ctrl-Shift-P, type Preferences is to open Settings in bracket JSON and press Enter. Please make sure that Enter or please select 020 WSL1's option. Please pause the screen and type this content, or if you want to copy paste, please go to the readme file in GitHub and from there you can copy and paste here. After saving this content, just save the file. Now your editor will auto format Python code, lint on save and auto save when you switch windows. Let's verify everything works with a quick test. Create a new file test_debug.py. Please pause the screen and type this code. In the file, set a breaking point by clicking the left margin next to line 2. Press F5 to start debugging. If you see the debugger pause at your breakpoint, congratulations. Remote debugging over WSL is working. Then press 5 again to continue. You should see Hello 020 in the debug console. Let's recap what we configured today. Install WSL extension for seamless Linux development from Windows. Added Git lens for inline commit history and blame automation. Installed Python extension with Black Formatter for auto formatting. Added C++ tools for systems programming support. Installed Docker extension for container management from the sidebar. Configured settings.json for professional defaults. Format on save, linting, autosave. Tested remote debugging with a simple Python script. Your VS Code is now production ready. You can write, debug, and deploy code with the same toolset used by engineers at top companies. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Hero Stack Academy and hit the notification bell. Episode 5 drops soon. This course is 100% free and open source. If it helps you, consider becoming a GitHub sponsor. Your support funds server cost, domain renewals, and more free content. The link is in the description. Join our Discord community. The link is in the description. Share your setup, ask questions, and connect with other learners. Start the GitHub repository. It helps others discover this course. I am Siddhant Kumar, full stack, VoIP, and AI engineer working professionally since 2021. This course is my passion project to help developers like you master enterprise-grade skills through hands-on learning. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, GitHub, or via email. All links are in the description. Drop a comment below. VS Code ready if your editor is configured. Thank you for watching. I will see you in episode 5. Happy coding.